The silent revolution that's about to destroy everything. While you were arguing about whether ChatGPT or Claude is better, something happened in China that just made that entire conversation irrelevant. I'm not talking about another chatbot. I'm talking about the end of software development as we know it. Picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning with a business idea. Maybe it's an app for dog walkers, or an e-commerce site selling vintage records. By lunchtime, that idea is a fully functioning business with payments, user accounts, and professional design. By dinner, you're taking orders. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. Minimax wasn't even on the AI radar 6 months ago. No Silicon Valley hype, no billion-dollar valuations, no tech bros on Twitter claiming they're changing the world. Just a team of Chinese engineers who decided to solve the one problem that's been holding back every AI company on the planet: memory. See, every AI model hits a wall. You can only feed them so much information before they start forgetting things, making mistakes, or just crashing entirely. OpenAI's models max out around 200,000 tokens. Google's Gemini can handle maybe 2 million on a good day. Minimax just dropped a model that processes 4 million tokens without breaking a sweat. That's like the difference between remembering a short story and remembering an entire library. But here's what blew my mind. They're giving it away for free. Not a trial, not a freemium model with limitations. Completely free. A 456 billion parameter model that would cost Google millions to develop and deploy. They just released it. No strings attached. The technical breakthrough is something they call lightning attention. I know it sounds like marketing speak, but this is the real deal. Traditional AI models slow down exponentially as you give them more data. It's like trying to think about too many things at once. Eventually, your brain just stops working. Lightning attention actually gets faster with more data. It's like having a brain that gets smarter the more you learn. The benchmarks are insane. On the 2024 International Math Competition, their model scored 86%. That beat OpenAI's O3, Claude 4, and Google's best model. In coding tests, it hit 65% on Live Code Bench. That's professional developer level performance. On software engineering tasks, 56% success rate. These aren't just good scores, these are holy crap, this changes everything scores. But the model is just the foundation. What they built on top of it is what's going to put entire industries out of business. Because they didn't just create a better chatbot. They created something that can actually do things. Build things. Create businesses from nothing but an idea and some words. And that's just the beginning. What I discovered next made me realize we're not just looking at a new AI tool. We're looking at the platform that's going to define the next decade of technology.
The AI that built me a $50,000 business in 47 minutes. I need you to understand something. What I'm about to show you is not a demo. It's not a carefully scripted presentation with cherry-picked examples. This is me, sitting at my computer, testing something that I thought was impossible. I opened Minimax Agent and said, "Build me an e-commerce website for handmade candles." That's it. No technical specifications, no wireframes, no detailed requirements. Just that one sentence. 47 minutes later, I had a complete business. Not a template, not a basic website. A fully functional e-commerce platform with Stripe payments, inventory management, customer accounts, email automation, SEO optimization, mobile responsiveness, and product descriptions that were better than anything I could have written myself. The candle descriptions alone would have cost me $500 from a copywriter. The website design would have been $5,000 from a developer. The payment integration and inventory system, another $10,000 easy. The email automation, $2,000 more. I just got $20,000 worth of professional work delivered in under an hour for the cost of nothing. But here's what really broke my understanding of what's possible. It didn't just build a website. It understood business logic. When I looked at the code, it had implemented things I never asked for but absolutely needed. Abandoned cart recovery, customer segmentation, A/B testing framework, analytics integration, GDPR compliance, tax calculations for different states. It thought of edge cases that would have taken me weeks to discover. Then I tested it with something harder. I sketched out a rough drawing of a fitness app on a napkin, took a picture, and uploaded it. I said, "Turn this into a working mobile app." 2 hours later, I had a React Native app with user authentication, workout tracking, progress charts, social features, and push notifications. It even generated the App Store listing and submitted it for review. The multimodal capabilities are unlike anything I've ever seen. You can upload a video of someone explaining a business idea, a PDF of a research paper, an audio recording of a meeting, and a spreadsheet of data. The agent processes all of it simultaneously and creates solutions that incorporate everything. I watched it analyze a competitor's website by just giving it the URL. It reverse-engineered the entire user experience, identified weaknesses, and built something better. It created user personas based on the competitor's customer reviews, designed a superior checkout flow, and even wrote better product descriptions. But the most mind-blowing part was watching it handle things that would stump most human developers. Error handling, security protocols, database optimization, API integrations. It just did all of it automatically. The code it generates isn't just functional, it's actually well-written, clean, commented, following best practices. I tested it with increasingly complex requests. Build a marketplace like Airbnb but for office spaces. Done in 3 hours. Create a telemedicine platform with video calls and prescription management. 4.5 hours. Build a cryptocurrency trading bot with risk management. 2 hours. Each time I expected it to fail. Each time it delivered something that would have taken a team of developers weeks or months to build. And the quality was amateur hour. These were production-ready applications that could handle real users and real transactions. The agent doesn't just code either. It designs beautiful interfaces, creates compelling content, optimizes for search engines, and even handles deployment and hosting. It's like having an entire development agency that works at superhuman speed and never needs coffee breaks. But what happened next completely changed my perspective on what this technology means for the future of work and wealth creation. The money machine, hidden in plain sight. 3 weeks after I started testing Minimax Agent, I discovered something that completely changed my understanding of what they were building. This isn't just an AI tool. It's a money printing machine disguised as a software platform. Hidden in their interface was something called the Agent Remix Marketplace. At first, I thought it was just a gallery where people could share their projects. I was wrong. This is the world's first AI-powered economy where creativity literally pays. Here's how it works. You build something with Minimax Agent. Could be anything. A business tool, a game, a website, an app, whatever. You publish it to their marketplace. Other people can remix your creation, which means they can modify it for their own needs. Every time someone remixes your project, you automatically earn 100 credits. No negotiations, no contracts, no payment processing. Just automatic royalties for your ideas. I decided to test this system. I took one of my projects, that candle e-commerce site I built in 47 minutes, and remixed it into something completely different. A nostalgic 90s-inspired Digimon database with authentic retro LCD toy aesthetics, pixel-perfect UI, button-click animations, 8-bit sound effects, evolution trees, digital battle stats, and a Digimon of the Day generator. It took me maybe 20 minutes to describe what I wanted. The agent transformed the entire site. New design, new functionality, new content. I published it to the marketplace thinking maybe a few people would find it interesting. Within a week, 47 people had remixed my Digimon database. That's 4,700 credits automatically deposited into my account while I slept. Each person took my idea and adapted it for their own niche. Pokemon databases, Yu-Gi-Oh card collections, anime character wikis, retro gaming guides. My one idea spawned dozens of new projects, and I earned money from every single one. But it gets better. I created an AI short-form video script factory that turns any topic into platform-native scripts for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, complete with hooks, pacing guides, and visual cue suggestions. This one exploded. Over 200 remixes in the first month. Real estate agents remixing it for property videos, restaurants for menu showcases, fitness trainers for workout content, teachers for educational videos. Each remix earned me 100 credits. 200 remixes equals 20,000 credits. Those credits convert to real money through their system, or you can use them to build more projects. It's like having a passive income stream that grows every time someone finds your idea useful. The remix process is brilliant. You see a project you like, click one button, tell the agent what changes you want, and boom, new version customized for your needs. Want to turn that fitness app into a meditation app? Done in minutes. Want to modify an e-commerce site from candles to coffee? Easy. The barriers between having an idea and having a working business just disappeared. But here's where it gets really interesting. Minimax is running a $150,000 global challenge right now. Over 180 different prizes for the best projects and remixes. You don't need coding skills. You don't need design experience. You just need good ideas and the ability to describe what you want. I'm talking to people who've never written a line of code in their lives, who are now building AI-powered businesses and entering competitions for serious money. The democratization of technology creation is happening right in front of us, and most people don't even know about it yet. The network effects are insane. Every new creator brings new ideas. Every remix makes the original more valuable. Every successful project attracts more users. It's like they built the App Store before anyone realized we needed one. Early adopters are becoming digital landlords, earning passive income from ideas they had months ago. The compound effect is real. One good project can spawn hundreds of remixes, each generating income, some of which become even more successful than the original. This isn't just about making money, though. This is about fundamentally changing who gets to participate in the digital economy. The death of the old world and birth of the new. We are living through one of those rare moments in history when everything changes at once. The printing press, the internet, the smartphone, and now this. The moment when the barriers between having an idea and building a business completely disappear. What I've shown you today isn't just impressive technology. It's the end of the software development industry as we know it. Why would you hire a team of developers for $100,000 and wait 6 months when an AI agent can build something better in a few hours for free? But this goes deeper than just replacing programmers. We're witnessing the birth of the AI native economy. The entrepreneurs who win in the next 5 years won't be those with the biggest budgets or the most technical knowledge. They'll be the ones with the best ideas and the fastest execution. Think about what this means for traditional businesses. Marketing agencies charging $50,000 for websites that an AI can build in an hour. App development companies spending months on projects that can now be completed in a day. Consulting firms selling strategy documents that AI agents can generate and implement simultaneously. The competitive landscape just got flattened. A teenager in Bangladesh with a good idea and internet access can now compete with Silicon Valley startups backed by millions in venture capital. The playing field isn't just level. It's been completely rebuilt. Minimax understood something that OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic missed. They weren't just building better chatbots. They were building the infrastructure for the post-software world. While everyone else fought over who could generate the most human-like text, Minimax built the platform where AI agents create actual value and users profit from their creativity. The numbers tell the story. Training their model cost $534,000. Pocket change compared to the hundreds of millions other companies spend. They completed development in 3 weeks using 512 H800 GPUs. The efficiency gains aren't incremental, they're exponential. Their hybrid attention mechanism, 7 layers of lightning attention plus 1 traditional layer, is the first successful scaling of linear attention to this level. The result is a model that gets more efficient with larger contexts, not less. While other companies hit walls at 200,000 tokens, Minimax cruises through 4 million. But the technology is just the foundation. The real genius is the business model. They give away the foundational models for free, building a massive user base. They make money through their marketplace, API usage, and premium features. Users create value on their platform, and Minimax takes a cut. It's the same model that made Apple's App Store worth hundreds of billions. The timing is perfect. 2025 is shaping up to be the year of AI agents. Not chatbots that answer questions, but autonomous agents that complete complex tasks. Agents with long-term memory, multimodal capabilities, and the ability to interact with real-world systems. Minimax isn't just ready for this future. They built it. Right now, at this exact moment, you have an opportunity that won't last forever. You can be one of the first 10,000 creators on a platform that's going to define the next decade of technology. You can build projects today that will be earning you money for years to come. You can participate in a $150,000 challenge with tools that cost nothing to use. But opportunities like this don't stay hidden forever. Right now, there's minimal competition. The barrier to entry is just having good ideas. In 6 months, when everyone figures out what's happening, it'll be much harder to stand out. The choice is simple. You can wait and watch others get rich from the opportunity you missed. Or you can act now and position yourself at the forefront of the biggest technological shift since the internet. Start with their free agent. Build something, anything. Publish it to the marketplace. Watch others remix your work while you earn. Participate in the challenge. Join the community of creators who are defining what comes next. The future doesn't wait for permission. It rewards the bold. The question isn't whether AI will change everything. It's whether you'll be ready when it does.